Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Salesforce Essentials, a powerful CRM designed specifically for small businesses. Whether you're looking to manage customer relationships, streamline sales, or track leads, this guide will help you get started. Let's jump right in. Setting up your account. Start by signing up for Salesforce Essentials on their website. Once logged in, complete the Setup Assistant to customize your account for your business needs. Add your company details, set up users, and define roles to organize your team's access. Importing your data. Next, import your existing customer data. Use the Data Import Wizard to upload contacts, accounts, and leads from spreadsheets or other CRM systems. Salesforce ensures a smooth import process with easy-to-follow prompts, tracking leads and opportunities. In the Sales Console, create and manage leads to track potential customers. Move them through the sales pipeline using opportunities, which help you visualize progress and forecast revenue effectively. Customizing dashboards and reports. Tailor your dashboards to display key metrics like sales performance and customer interactions. Use reports to gain insights into your business data, enabling you to make informed decisions. Automating workflows. Automate repetitive tasks using Salesforce Essentials automation tools, such as email templates and task reminders. This ensures you spend more time building relationships and less time on admin work. Salesforce Essentials simplifies customer management and empowers small businesses to grow effectively. Have you tried Salesforce Essentials? Let us know your experiences in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.